very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. In July and August, 3 weeks of spirituality for young people aged 15 to 29 were held in Askovnica, a Salesian alpine refuge. These days, called Askovnica, have been held for almost 40 years and aim to promote integral human and spiritual growth for young people from parishes, oratories, youth centers and other places of activity for young people in Salesian presences. This year's program was prepared and implemented by young leaders, accompanied by Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians under the guidance of the Salesian Youth Ministry in the SLO province. From 18 to 21st August, the Salesian House of Don Bosco in Constance, Romania, was the meeting point for a significant experience of growth and preparation for the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM from the 3 Salesian places in Romania and Moldova, Constance, Bacău and Chisinau. About 30 young people, 10 from each of the groups involved, gathered to participate in the SYM Leaders Advisory Council, accompanied by their respective spiritual leaders, Father Fabrizio Iacuzzi for the groups in Chisinau and Brezoa, Moldova, Father Yusuf Ilis for Constance and Father Andrei Laslau for Bacău. The 7th edition of the School of Salesian Spiritual Accompaniment for Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, French-speaking participants began on 19 August and will end on 21st September 2025. Currently, the 24 participants come from 16 different countries and 19 provinces: CIL, BCG, BRE, BSP, CAM, BOL, ECU, PER, POR, UPS, ILE, INE, ICC, CIN, THA, AFC, ATE, ANG, ANN. The school aims to prepare Salesians to be spiritual guides with a basic knowledge, understanding and healthy appreciation of spiritual accompaniment according to a Christian and Salesian tradition, and acquire the skills necessary to discern one's inner dispositions, deepen one's prayer life and one's response to the Lord in daily life, so as to be able to accompany others through the same process. This year, the Don Bosco Center celebrated its 42nd anniversary, more than 4 decades at the service of the most vulnerable young indigenous people in the northern region of Guatemala. This important milestone was celebrated on 7th and 8th August, expressing gratitude to God for the continuity of this valuable educational project. The event was attended by students from the Don Bosco Center in San Juan Chalmelco, the Don Bosco Center in Rax Ruja, and the Don Bosco Center in San Pedro Carcha. The retreat for Salesians in their quinquennium from the Salesian province of Sicily, ISI, has been held from 17 to 23rd August. Since, for obvious reasons, the retreat cannot be held as usual in the Holy Land with the involvement of all the quinquennium Salesians from CISI, the ISI province decided to hold it in Krakow. The theme of these days is In the Footsteps of John Paul II and Places of Martyrdom of the Polish Conference at Auschwitz. Father Franco Di Natale, ISI Vice Provincial, is preaching the retreat. Also present was Father Giovanni Di Andrea, Provincial of the Salesians in Sicily. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.